Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll show you the quickest way to organize your Telegram groups into folders using the web version on your PC. With Telegram's latest update, managing your chats has never been smoother. Let's dive into the steps to keep your groups neatly sorted. First, open your preferred browser and head to Telegram Web. Log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see your chat folders listed horizontally. These are your custom tabs, like Work or Social. Find the folder where you want to add your groups. Now, here's the key step. Right-click on the folder's name. A menu will pop up. Select Edit Folder from the options. This opens the folder's settings, where you can tweak its contents. Next, click the Add Chats button. A panel will slide in, showing all your chats. Instead of scrolling through individual groups, use the filter options at the top. Check the box next to Groups to display only your group chats. This saves time, especially if you're part of dozens of communities. Scroll through the list and select the groups you want to include. You can pick as many as you need, but keep in mind Telegram's limit of 200 chats per folder for premium users. Once you've checked all the groups, hit Save at the bottom. Your folder will update instantly, and the selected groups will now appear under its tab. No need to refresh the page or restart the app. Let's recap. Open Telegram Web, right-click the folder, edit it, add groups, and save. That's all it takes to streamline your Telegram workspace. This feature is perfect for separating work discussions from personal chats or grouping niche communities together. And remember, any changes you make are synced across all devices. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Telegram tips. Organize smarter, not harder. Your future self will thank you.